We've always got several gadgets for you on the show, but today what I picked on was something special because a lot of you have asked about it. It has been the Asus Fonepad 7. I'm picking this up. It seems like a deja vu to you because it seemed to me as well, because the predecessor and this one seems very similar. But there are certain differences, but what similarities goes across is the Intel processor, which this has. It has an additional thing, that is the voice calling quality and some upgraded specifications. Does it fare well in our rating? We'll go ahead and take a look. Let's begin talking about the Asus Fonepad 7 with its build quality. That is what has not really impressed me much because it's a plastic body, and you would be surprised as I was because the predecessor was a complete aluminium body. So that is what you were expecting, but that is what has not happened over here. But there's a lot that you're going to go ahead like about the Fonepad, so let's go ahead and see what do we actually like about it. From the front, the Asus Fonepad 7 looks roughly similar to the original Fonepad, except that the latter did not feature dual speakers. The 7-inch display is surrounded by a black bezel. The front panel does not include any branding, thanks to the Jelly Bean's on-screen navigation keys, which means the front of the Fonepad 7 is devoid of physical buttons. The new Fonepad 7 sports the camera at the center. The Asus Fonepad 7 has rounded corners and the tablet's back has a shiny plastic finish, which at times tend to slip out of your hand while using it for a long duration. While on the Asus Fonepad 7 tablet, the power and the volume rocker buttons do feel a bit wobbly and not as premium majorly due to the use of plastic, we still prefer the layout to the single button on the original Asus Fonepad. So let's talk about how this entire Asus Fonepad 7 looks like, and as you can see at the top we have the 3.5mm jack over here. At the bottom you will get your charging point with the microphone slot just at the corner, just like the smartphone, as this is also a calling device. On this corner, that's the left hand side, you have the SIM slot, and like how everything is nowadays with a small pen, you can just pick it out and put your SIM through it. At the back, let's talk about the camera, which is something which is good. The 5 megapixel at the back, and for all the people who like to click a lot of selfies, you have the 1.2 megapixel front camera for yourself over here. The 5 megapixel does not come with a flash. That is all right. Usually, we do not find the tablets and phone pads to really have flash in them. That is all right. But overall, the camera is what you would like of this as well, because especially it's a phone calling device. So when you're talking over the phone, you would, if you would like to Skype and look through, then yes, that would really help you. Day-to-day activities, the tablet feels smooth enough and you're not really left wanting for more power. In addition, the touch experience of the tablet, the Asus Fonepad 7 could easily apart from some games. However, on the side, the tablet supporting a dual front speaker, the output was not loud enough. On maximum volume, the sound tends to break. Let's take a quick look at the specs now. Having spent some time with the Asus Fonepad 7, I must say that it has not really disappointed us. Ratings. On the Geekometer, we would give it a 7. On a general user, a 7 again. But on the style quotient, we would give it a 6. At the price of 17,499, I guess this one is a good pick.